Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2000 Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle Road Glide with 4,851 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a fishtail muffler end caps and comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. We've installed new front and rear tires on this bike. The Road Glide has been popular for years due to its hardy power and distinct styling, and with its factory custom details, this CVO Road Glide stands out among its other Harley contemporaries. Powered by a 95 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Road Glide puts 78 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 26.9 inch seat height and weighs in at 782 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.